So to download the voiceover on your phone, this is what you are going to do. Come here to your script and copy your story. In my previous lesson, I showed you how to generate the script. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. So this is applicable to any video that you want to make, whether it is a story video or it is a story about food, health, and the likes. So just copy your voiceover here, and after copying your voiceover, head over to this website called speechma.com. So Speechma will help you to generate your voiceover. So when you are here in Speechma, you just click here, this place that you see here, and you enter your text. So the number of characters that Speechma can accept is 2000 characters. Make sure that you've removed all these symbols and emojis. So after pasting your text there, you see this number right here is what you should type in. Just type in the number 87305. Good. So after that, you click on generate audio. But before you click on generate audio, you can come down here to select the voice that you want to use. So for the sake of this tutorial, I want to select Emma's voice. Let me use Emma's voice. Okay, so we've selected that. Then we now click on generate audio, and it is processing. So we are going to give it some time and allow it to generate. Okay, as you can see, it has been generated. So you can play it here to hear how it sounds, or you can download. If you want to delete it, you can delete it here. So this one is the previous one I generated before. So you can download it by clicking it here, and it is downloaded. As you can see, it has been downloaded. So if you open it, you can play it to hear how it sounds. Now you can upload your audio into your editor and use it to edit your video. So I will show you that in the next tutorial.